The Eiffel Tower, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, it all started with the foundation, workers pouring massive concrete blocks, ensuring the ground could support what would soon become the tallest structure in the world. At the heart of this project was Gustave Eiffel, the brilliant engineer whose name would forever be tied to the tower. In this portrait by Nadar, we see a man of focus and vision. But the tower wasn't born fully formed in Eiffel's mind. It began as a sketch by Maurice Koechlin, one of Eiffel's talented employees. Koechlin's initial design was bold but raw. Enter Emile Nouguier, another key figure. He took Koechlin's sketch and refined it, ensuring the tower would not only be tall but also structurally sound. But a tower of iron needed beauty as much as strength. That's where Sauvestre came in. He added elegant arches and decorative elements. By 1887, the real work began. Workers started assembling the tower's iron skeleton. By December 7, 1887, the tower's 4 legs began to rise. Each leg was anchored to the foundation, forming the base of what would soon become a Parisian icon. On March 20, 1888, the first level was completed. Parisians could now see the tower taking shape, and curiosity began to replace skepticism.
Subscribe so you don't miss new videos about past events.
By May 15, 1888, workers had moved on to the second level. The tower was growing taller, and so was the excitement. Throughout the construction, the tower became a spectacle. People gathered to watch its progress, marveling at the ingenuity and scale of the project. On August 21, 1888, the second level was finished. The structure was now a visible part of the Paris skyline, and people couldn't help but stop and stare. By the end of 1888, the upper section was underway. The tower was reaching its final height, and the dream was becoming a reality. On March 15, 1889, the dome was added, completing the tower's iconic silhouette. It was a moment of triumph for Eiffel and his team. The Eiffel Tower wasn't just a marvel of engineering. It was also a canvas for innovation. In 1898, the Lumière brothers, pioneers of cinema, captured a breathtaking panoramic view during the ascent of the tower. This early film showcased the tower's grandeur and marked one of the first times the world saw Paris from such heights. It was a glimpse into the future of both technology and art. The tower also played a role in the dawn of aviation. On July 13, 1901, the Brazilian aviation pioneer Alberto Santos-Dumont flew his airship, the Santos-Dumont No. 5, around the Eiffel Tower. It was a daring feat that captured the imagination of the world and cemented the tower's place as a symbol of human progress. But the Eiffel Tower's story doesn't end with its construction. Over the decades, it stood as a silent witness to history. In 1940, during the dark days of World War II, this photo was taken. Adolf Hitler and Nazi officials posing in front of the tower after the occupation of Paris. It's a chilling reminder of the tower's resilience, a symbol of freedom that endured even in the face of tyranny. Even the tower's elevators were a marvel of their time. The Roux, Combaluzier, and Lepape lifts, seen here during construction, were revolutionary. They allowed visitors to ascend the tower with ease, making it accessible to all. These lifts were a testament to the ingenuity of the era and a key part of the tower's enduring appeal. When the tower was finally completed, it stood at 324 meters tall, a testament to human ambition and creativity. Though it faced criticism at first, it quickly became a symbol of Paris and a beacon of progress. Today, it stands as a reminder of what we can achieve when we dream big and work together, and of the strength to endure through even the darkest times.